Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn on how to change your YouTube channel banner on your channel YouTube. In order to do that, all you have to do is click on the upper right corner and make sure you're logged in with the channel that you are going to change the banner of. Click on your channel. And when you arrive here, you can see that already the banner is up there. So you want to click on this, on the right upper corner there. When you hover over the picture, you will see an option of a camera. Click on it. When you click on it, it will take you to the YouTube Studio. You can remove the other one. And when you arrive at YouTube Studio, you will see the second option called banner image. So you're gonna either remove it. If you want to remove it, you can click on remove it, or you can change it. So you want to change it, click on change. Add any other banner. So you're gonna click on that banner, you're gonna save it and publish it. And when you want to see it again, click on this image. And it will take you to a new page, and you can see you have already changed the banner. So this is very simple on way how to change your channel's banner. And if you find this video really helpful, make sure to leave a comment below, and we will catch you in the video. Keep visiting Tig's Schooling.